Hi friends, today let's learn how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. It comes with 2016 or above versions. There is nothing for you to install or any external add-ins or software. It all comes built in. So there are only couple of steps that you need to follow and it's pretty straightforward and very simple to use. Let's say you have the PowerPoint open. All you need to do is go to Insert and to the extreme right you will see an option called Screen Recording. Click on Screen Recording window and I have a Python IDE open just for your just for this purpose of the video. So what I'm going to do is you can record the select area. So my selected area is this. I can select this again. I have this particular selection to be recorded. I make that selection and I have an option to record the audio as well. If you wish to not opt for audio, you can uncheck that and you can even uncheck the record pointer. So the option is you need to click on the record option. The shortcut key is Windows Shift R. And if you want to pause the video, you have to press Windows Shift R. And if you want to stop the video, you need to press Windows Shift Q. So let us start recording. Says 3, 2, 1, start. Let's go. And I'm going to type something. I'm going to speak as well. And I want to stop it. I'm going to type Windows Shift Q. There you go. You have the video recorded and it's into one of the slide and you have an option to play, and the good thing is you have an option to edit as well. You can trim the video, you can add a bookmark, you can adjust the volume, fade in, fade out. So you have a lot many options. So let me play it. So my this audio might not be audible for you since I've disabled my system audio, but you have everything needed. The only drawback of the Microsoft PowerPoint recorder is that the file size is humongous. So probably this 10 seconds or 15 seconds of video might save around like 500 MB or 600 MB. That's too much for a video, which ideally the external recorder might give you in like 7 or 10 MB. But this comes on a free, so this helps a lot on your workplace or if you have to record something and send it to any of your friends. Right. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.